What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Brandon here, and today we're going to be installing Z1 Motorsports hatch strut for the 350Z. I've been having a difficult time picking up the hatch. Like, I feel like the struts have already given out, and it gets pretty tedious like when I have to push the button, and like look at that, it doesn't even come up, and it always takes two hands to open it, and when you do open it, it doesn't stay up. So the solution for that would be to install these hatch struts from Z1 Motorsports. So I actually picked up this spring lift as well, and this is supposed to help the hatch open up. Most of you guys should have this, but my car's always been missing one since I've got it. Dude, can you believe this thing? Like, it's just like a little piece of plastic, and this thing was 40 bucks. Like, and anywhere it's 40 bucks. I checked eBay too and it was 40 bucks. So I was like, whatever, I had to get it, so. And it goes right here. Go. Well, at least that fixed one problem. Yeah, bringing it down's a little hard. Put pressure. Oh, let's go. I'm just gonna add that when you're doing this install, be really cautious of what you use to prop up your hatch, because it fell on me and like it wasn't fun. So be careful when you prop it up. Just watch out for that. That trunk is pretty heavy, but overall these hatch struts really do put in work. It just takes a little bit of effort to like really bring down the hatch. You'd be okay if you got just the mild pressure ones, but I got the high pressure ones. So if you get the high pressure ones, just know that you're gonna have to put in effort to really bring that hatch down. But other than that, it's really good. I mean, it lifts up super easy and quick, and I mean, it's what I expected, so it's pretty good. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. See you guys next time. Thanks. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Peace. God, I think fell.